Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled with a dull soldering iron tip or faced rusty metal parts that seem beyond saving? You see how this tip is dull and covered in oxidation? That's what makes soldering so frustrating, with poor heat transfer and messy joints. I'm starting by carefully removing the old, worn-out tip. A quick scrub with some sandpaper helps remove the initial layer of grime, revealing a bit of the metal underneath. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. But a simple scrub isn't enough for a truly precise tip. I'm going to take this a step further by securing the tip into my drill. This allows me to evenly sharpen and reshape the tip with sandpaper. Next, I'm going to show you how to clean rusty metal using a simple electrolysis setup. I'm starting with a clean plastic jar and its lid. I'll mark 3 points on the lid and drill holes, then enlarge one of them with a cutter. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now let's prepare the lid. I'm taking 2 bolts, adding washers, and securing them through 2 of the smaller holes. These will be our sturdy external connection points for power, allowing us to easily connect our battery later without risking any direct contact with the solution. I'm preparing 2 small alligator clips. I'll attach these clips to the 2 screws on the lid. These will be the electrodes that interact directly with the metal and the electrolyte. Using a pen, I wrap the solder wire around the pen to form a spring-like coil. Now I'm preparing the electrolyte solution. I'm filling the jar with water. Then I'm adding some salt to the water and stirring well. The salt is crucial here. It creates an electrolyte solution, which is essential for the electrical current to flow and for the cleaning process to work effectively. I'll stir it until the salt is completely dissolved. I'm attaching a soldering iron and springs to alligator clips. With the solution ready, I'll securely place a prepared lid onto the jar, ensuring the electrodes are submerged in the salt water. Next, I'm connecting a powerful 18V battery using alligator clips to the bolt terminals on the lid. This completes our circuit, and you'll see the magic begin. Watch closely as the current passes through the salt water. You can already see bubbles forming and the water gradually changing color. This is the electrolysis process in action, actively separating impurities and lifting away rust from our metal pieces without harsh scrubbing or chemicals. After a while, you can see how much the water has changed, filled with the removed impurities. I'll disconnect the power and carefully remove the lid and electrodes. A quick wipe with a tissue reveals the astonishing transformation. This method is fantastic for restoring rusty tools and parts. See how much cleaner these metal pieces are? I'll give a final gentle polish with some fine sandpaper, then reinstall it onto the iron. Now it's perfectly sharp and ready for action, making precise soldering a breeze. Here you can see the clean tip, ready for intricate work on a circuit board. This sharp, precise point allows for excellent control and heat transfer, making even delicate soldering tasks much easier. It's truly amazing what a difference a properly maintained tool makes. From revitalizing a dull soldering iron to cleaning rusty items with electrolysis, these projects prove that with a little ingenuity, you can achieve professional results right at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.